Good afternoon, Con here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Limeta EB25 power bank. This power bank features a Apple Watch charger as well as a magnetic power bank with app control. So we're going to be unboxing this, taking a look at the app, and seeing how it all works. So we're going to go ahead and pop this out of the box here. I'm just going to go ahead and rip the top right on off. Alright, so first thing, we do have a USB-C to C cable for charging. And then we have the power bank itself. It looks like it's got little, I guess, grips here on the side. We've got the side for your Apple Watch right here, and then the MagSafe side right there for your phone. And it does support up to 18 watts of fast charging, so it should be supporting the newest Qi standard. Let's see. Looks like one of these is also a button. I don't know which one turned it on, but something made it turn on. Yeah, I don't know how I did that. But I have my phone here. So we're going to, which is actually almost dead. So we're going to open up the app here. It's called Polyene. There's a QR code on the side of the box right here to download the app. And I think it turned back off, so I don't know how I... Oh, no, it's right here, PD25. Device added successfully, so we can tap on this and we can see we have 78% charge. Beep indicates battery level. Operation beep. Automatic lights off. So you can do USB-C charging, watch charging, and wireless charging. I'm going to put it on this phone just to see how it does. Alright, so started charging. And we can take it off real quick and I'll see that if you try to put it on the wrong side. Oh, it didn't beep that time. I think it was turning on. And nothing happened that time when I put it on, but it might also be, there we go. I'm using this MagSafe case on an S24 Ultra, so you can't tap on any of these except for those, but increase holding comfort. I'm guessing that probably slows down the charging to reduce the temperature. Disable battery care, enable battery care, which limits it to 80% charging. I don't have my watch on me, but we can take this off and put it on. We'll get the USB-C cable here and plug it in with that and just see how that does. Again, this is 7,000 milliamp hours on this one, so you should get about a maybe just under a charge to a full charge depending on how much you're using your device. You can hear it beep when it turns back on when we plug that in. Go ahead and plug that in and you can hear the beep there, and it does tell us here the charging output right there on the app, which is pretty cool. So it's charging at 5 volts 9 amps, which is not very 5 volts 9 watts, which isn't too quick. It doesn't look like it's going to be supporting any kind of fast charging or fast charge 2.0 or anything like that. It does say it does 12 volts at 1.5 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, and 5 volts at 3 amps. And then it inputs at 5 volts 3 amps or 9 volts 2 amps. So we should be getting a little bit faster charge than that, but we are not with this cable right now, at least. So not too sure what's going on there, but we'll unplug it from here, and we'll also plug it into my iPhone. And we got a double beep there, so I don't know what that means, but 12 volts on this one, 10 watts, 11 watts, 15 watts. You can see the battery is dropping pretty quick. I think we were just at 75%. We've already dropped down to 70%, but we're going about 15 to 16 watts here on the charging, so that's not bad. There it is at the full 18 watts that it specifies. We'll unplug that again. I'm going to turn off all the beeping there. We'll put on MagSafe. And there you go. You can see MagSafe on this one as well. It doesn't give you the wireless charging speed on the app, but that is showing that it is MagSafe charging, so that's good. And we'll just do a wireless charge test with the Pixel. And nope, there it goes. Now the Pixel, it's not the Pixel doesn't have any MagSafe or magnetic case or anything on it, but it is actually sticking to the back of the Pixel just by itself, just from whatever's in the phone. So that's pretty cool. You can use it like that without a case on the Pixel. But there we go. So you can see it is dropping pretty quick, but it is kind of a smaller battery, and it is it wasn't fully charged when I got it. So don't know how about that. But we'll hit Find Me. You can see it plays a little tone there, so you can locate it. Battery is still dropping there. I'm going to go give it a charge, and I'll try it out. But that is the EB25 from Limeta, and it is a, like I said, 7,000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery with the watch charger on the back as well. And it has this nice little app, so you can see the actual battery percentage and charging status and that kind of stuff right here on your phone. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.